So got a quote, a repair on this set of steps and deck. Middle stringer seems all right. We need 3 new. They are 2x12s and they're 4 foot wide approximately. And then looks like 1 piece of deck board will replace that. We need a 4x4 support, and let's see, we need another 2x10 for this joist here to repair it. Let's see, the other joists look all right. And we'll need 1 3-step riser, and then so 1 2x10 will do it, because I'll be able to sister in an extra joist out there. We'll need 2 2x12s, or 1 12-footer should do it actually. So 1 12-foot 2x12, 1 12-foot deck board, 1 10-foot 2x10, 1 3-step riser, a 2x4, and a 4x4. Now I went on HomeDepot.com and put all the things that I need for this repair into the cart. And it's $150 before tax and any other fees. So after you have all your pricing figured out, you can estimate how long it's going to take you and add in your labor costs and send the quote off to the customer.